Kelledy Jones Lawyers was established in recognition of a need for there to be a dedicated local government legal practice in South Australia which would not act against or contrary to the interests of any of its council clients. Or we're a full-service legal practice. Any of the legal needs that a council has, we are quite capable and sufficiently experienced to deal with those needs. And we are working with the majority of councils in South Australia at this point in time.
Our objective at Kelledy Jones Lawyers is to ensure that we deliver legal advice and representation of the highest quality in a cost-effective manner and in a way in which our legal advice and representation can be used practically by our clients, is well understood and can be implemented to achieve their particular objectives.
Local government law covers a diverse range of areas of law. So because we advise in each of those areas of the law, it means that we are really well placed to provide business advice, and from our clients' perspective, it puts them in a position whereby they can rely on what we give them to ensure that they are operating in the community's interests.
We immerse ourselves in every aspect of local government. What that means is or as a starting point, is every practitioner that comes and joins Kelledy Jones Lawyers, it's important they have an interest in what they do and it's not just a job to them. Our focus on educating council officers and also council members is important because they operate within a highly legalistic framework and they are subject to scrutiny by various oversight bodies. It means we arm them with information so they are fully informed.
Our partnering approach is born out of risk management considerations. It's usually the case that a lawyer comes in at the back end of a project to tidy up the issues and the problems. Our approach is to be at the front end of the project and to work with the client to try to ensure that those problems and difficulties don't arise in the first place.
The relationship between Kelledy Jones and the council is a fantastic working relationship. I think one of the benefits of working so closely with Kelledy Jones over the time since they've been established is that we get really down-to-earth, honest and timely advice. Kelledy Jones provides services to the council in respect to primarily local government issues. In terms of legal advice, they would centre around the Local Government Act predominantly, but they also offer advice across a range of areas. But one of the key areas that I work with Kelledy Jones with is with their elected member training, which is critical for this organisation, particularly when we are striving to be a leader within the sector, and Kelledy Jones can assist us in achieving that with our elected members.
The benefits for the CEO and elected members in working with Kelledy Jones is that Kelledy Jones are always available. Their advice is always practical and always readily available. And we as a council have had extensive experience working with Kelledy Jones across all parts of our organisation, and we have great confidence in their ability to provide good quality advice, and that's been proven time and time again. I enjoy working with Kelledy Jones because of their availability. They are very personable, they understand some of the pressures that a CEO is put under and also an organisation is put under, and are very proactive in working with us.
For Alexandrina, Kelledy Jones provides a lot of our training and development for elected members. We like their style of training, particularly the open forum style. They not only focus on the topics, but they also give our members the opportunity to ask questions more broadly in that more informal style. So it's not just a structured classroom where they're talking at our elected members all the time. They provide an environment where our members feel comfortable.
The difference between Kelledy Jones and other legal providers is the relationship that they build, not only with the organisation as a whole, but with individual elected members and staff. This is a relationship that is really important because elected members and staff want to know that they're making decisions that is based on the best possible advice, and that their decision-making process is based on integrity.
We will continue to improve our services in the future by remaining ahead of the game, taking a leadership position and remaining focused on local government. And what helps us do that is our size, and we're not distracted by other areas of law.
We'll continue to be at the forefront by having a watching brief as to what happens in other jurisdictions, interstate, overseas, taking the best of what we learn from that research and sharing it with our clients in South Australia.